Do you want to delete all your pokes on Facebook? You can remove all poke in Facebook at once with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete all your pokes on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Deleting all your pokes on Facebook is the process of removing all the pokes you have sent. To delete all your pokes on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines or your profile picture. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Here you will see various settings. Scroll down to the Your Activities section. From here, click on Activity Log. In the Activity Log, tap on your Facebook activity. From the expanded menu, scroll down to the Other Activities section. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, tap on Pokes from the expanded menu. Here you will see a list of all the pokes you've sent. To remove a poke, click on the three dots on the right side of the name and select Delete from the pop-up menu. If you want to delete all pokes at once, click on the checkbox in front of Select All. Once all are selected, tap on the Remove button at the bottom of the screen. This will remove all the pokes you have sent at once. By following these steps, you can easily manage and delete your pokes on Facebook.